Hi, I'm Sean Bailey, Cephesys Certified Master Technician and Trainer for General Parts, and today we're going to go over replacing the dump valve on a Manitowoc ice machine. Alright, so I've already removed the insulation from this section of it just to make it easier to see what's going on. On the back of my water valve I have a clip here. You're going to remove that, loosen that clip up, unplug the solenoid, and there's one screw that holds this whole assembly in place. Move the screw, and this will unplug from the hose on the inside, and then unplug it from here, holding onto my clip. So I take my new solenoid, put the clip over the hose, slide my fitting in, and re-secure the clamp. Bolt it back in place. Put the hose in, then put it back in place. And plug it back in. And then reinstall all the insulation.